Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'm actually gonna start going to Burger King, not here, in Churchgate. So I'll see you guys in the way, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next shot. By the way, if you're not part of the DD gang, make sure to subscribe on this on the face. Join the revolution. Join the DD gang. Who's doing it, baby? Join us. And yeah, let's go and let's have an amazing day. Let's head on to see an amazing day. Let's go. So my mother is ordering over there, and I'm sitting over here. I'll see after our food comes. Let's go. Guys, so we finally made it from the MODs and from the Burger King. We finally got our donuts, and now we're gonna go straight home. Let's go. I'll see you at home. Okay, I'm gonna wrap up today's vlog here. If you guys have enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. And today's day was very hectic. We did a lot of fun. And yeah, there you go, DD gang. That is the vlog. I love you and I will see you tomorrow. Take it easy, fam. Peace. And I have a very special announcement to tell you all. There will be two videos coming. To both tomorrow. Both I think tomorrow and I think after a week. So stay tuned for the video to come. I love you and I will see you tomorrow. Take it easy, fam.